Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel. Today we're warping into the wild world of fractals and chaos theory. Before starting this challenging quiz, subscribe our channel and smash that like button, grab your notebook, and let's dive into infinite patterns and unpredictable chaos. Let's go! What makes a coastline look like a puzzle with endless edges? Ready to zoom into fractal madness? Coastlines look like puzzles with endless edges because fractal jagged patterns repeat at smaller scales, adding complexity. Who created a fractal by removing middle parts of a line? Can you tame the chaos beast? Georg Cantor created a fractal by removing the middle third of a line repeatedly, forming a dust-like pattern. What natural wonder twists like a fractal spiral? Time to unravel infinite secrets. Seashells twist like a fractal spiral with layers that repeat in a perfect growing pattern. What grows in a fractal pattern like tiny trees? Will you master the pattern puzzle? Broccoli grows in a fractal pattern, like tiny trees, with florets repeating the plant structure at smaller scales. What makes a lightning bolt dance with jagged turns? TikTok, dive into the unknown. Lightning bolts dance with jagged turns due to fractal zigzag paths, following the easiest electrical route. What natural pattern repeats in a pinecone scales? Time to unravel infinite secrets. Pine cones show a natural pattern with fractal scale layers that grow in a neat, repeating order. What makes a mountain's edge look rough and wild? Share this quiz with your friends to check their knowledge about pattern. A mountain's edge looks rough and wild because fractal rough edges repeat unevenly across its surface. What twists in a galaxy's arms like a fractal design? Zoom in, crack the fractal code. Galaxy arms twist like a fractal design, with spiral arms where stars and gas repeat in a cosmic pattern. What makes a spiderweb strong with fractal lines? Prepare for a cosmic brain blast. Spiderwebs are strong with fractal lines that repeat in a design to catch prey effectively. What makes a river bend in fractal curves? Subscribe Quizzer Academy for more exciting and challenging quizzes. A river bends in fractal curves guided by the land's natural erosion, repeating the pattern over time. What shows how systems shift from order to chaos? Share your answer in comments. A bifurcation diagram shows how systems shift from order to chaos by plotting where behavior splits with parameter changes. Where can fractals be found in the human body? Like this video. Let's complete another challenge to make 5,000 likes for this video. Fractals are found in blood vessels and lungs, with branching that optimizes gas exchange and flow. What creates a fractal by adding triangles to a line? Zoom in, crack the fractal code. The Koch curve creates a fractal by adding triangles to a line, making it jagged with each iteration. What studies systems sensitive to initial conditions? Prepare for a cosmic brain blast. Chaos theory studies systems sensitive to initial conditions, where small changes lead to big outcomes. What is the butterfly effect's core idea? Chaos awaits. Solve it now. The butterfly effect's core idea is big outcome changes from tiny input differences, amplifying chaos. What did Lorenz model to discover chaos? Unlock the next wild pattern. Lawrence modeled weather patterns. Noticing small rounding errors led to vastly different outcomes. What makes a double pendulum swing wildly? Let's twist through infinite loops. A double pendulum swings wildly due to random pushes, creating unpredictable chaotic motion. What links fractals to computer-generated art? Choose wisely, like in Fractal Pattern Genius. Fractals link to computer-generated art through recursive code that repeats patterns digitally. What measures how detail scales with size? This one's a fractal mind-bender. Fractal dimension, like Hausdorff, measures how detail scales with size, often as a fractional value. What scales period doubling in chaos? Time to shine in fractal land. The Feigenbaum constant, till 4.669, scales period doubling in chaos, showing universal bifurcation ratios. What is the Koch snowflake's fractal dimension? Time is running, hurry up, lock your answer. The Koch snowflake's fractal dimension is 1.2619, derived from Lautino 4/Lautino 3 due to its recursive growth. Which fractal has a Hausdorff dimension of approximately 1.585? Is it Cantor set, line segment, or Sierpinski triangle? The Sierpinski triangle has a Hausdorff dimension of 1.585, calculated as ln3 over ln2. Who discovered the Feigenbaum constant? What is your answer? Share with us in comments. Mitchell Feigenbaum discovered the constant in 1975, revealing universality in chaotic systems. What defines the burning ship fractal? Show off your chaos skills here. The burning ship fractal is defined by sharp, ship-like structures from iterated absolute values, creating jagged patterns. Which system shows classic chaos? Last question, guys. If you want second part of this quiz channel, then comment second part. A double pendulum shows classic chaos with deterministic yet unpredictable motion. Wow! You've conquered 25 fractal and chaos questions like a true Quizzes Academy star. Drop your score in the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic quests. Can you draw a fractal? Share below. See you next time. Keep exploring infinity.